Here I'll demonstrate how to view antimicrobial susceptibility testing results in LabSavvy. If we filter just for antimicrobial susceptibility, we can then view individual results in the procedures list. And by clicking on the three dots, the results pop up. And here we see results to each antibiotic tested. Please note, where clinical breakpoints for a pathogen-antimicrobial combination are not available, no interpretation is provided. And if we click on Susceptibility Profiles, we can view this data in a different way. You can select individual pathogens, and here I'll select Salmonella. And in this case, we can also choose individual serotypes. We can choose individual producers, farms, date ranges, and different specimens. And if we click Run Analysis here, we'll show results for all Salmonella positive samples submitted to the VBL. And here we see that's 148 isolates tested against these different antibiotics. And if we hover over the different colored boxes, we can see the percent, in this case susceptible, to ampicillin and the number of samples tested. You can also add a producer and then click Run Analysis again. And then we can see how producer 3 compares to the rest of the samples submitted to the VBL. You can also view this data over time by clicking on the Time Series button. And then we can view the 10-year trend line. So the percent susceptible is shown on the y-axis, the year on the x-axis. Different colors represent different antibiotics, and you can add antibiotics by clicking here. You can also hover over the different lines to show the percent susceptible and number of samples. And all VBL is shown as a solid line, and the individual producer is shown as a dotted line.